everyone, this is JC Studio, your content creator for today. So, a lot of you have been asking why my old video disappeared or why they suddenly say deleted. So, in this video, I wanted to explain everything that happened. So, a few months ago, my channel was tagged for inauthentic content last February. So I lost my monetization, and honestly, I didn't know which video caused the violation. Because of that, I decided to remove or hide all of my old videos to protect my channel and start a new one. So now I'm focusing on creating more original and authentic content, which is now you see my face, the real me, authentic, a real human. So I clearly created a new effects. Um, I created a new video every 2 weeks. So I'm doing my best to follow all the platform guidelines and continue making content that you guys will enjoy. And I'm humbly asking for your continued support during this difficult time. Your likes, your comments, shares, and encouragement means so much to me and truly help this channel keeps alive. So I'm hoping you guys this coming June 8th my account will return to normal, because they really cannot afford I cannot afford to lose this channel. I already built a community, and I also have 19,700 subscribers, so I don't want to lose this. So help me, guys. So this is not just a hobby for me, and this is my main source of income and my bread and butter. I also YouTube I hope YouTube helped me to understand that many small content creators like me depending on this platform to support ourselves and families. But anyways, thank you so much for staying with me, guys. Through everything, we can do this together. More authentic and better content coming soon. Love you all.